So we're about to install the camshafts. Right now we're just oiling them, and we have the cam chain tensioner pressed in here. Hold it up. So we put this, there's a special tool that pushes them together, pushes the cam chain tensioner in, the tensioner, whatever, the actuator things, and it holds it in place. And the idea is that you put the chain on with the camshafts and then drop the whole thing in. So it takes a bit of doing. We will do that, and then here's the chain here. We've marked it with paint marks where it's supposed to go on the sprockets. And now we'll go find the screws.